What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to restore faded and damaged and oxidized plastic trim on any vehicle. And this is a staple in the industry, which is Solution Finish Black Trim Restore. And we're going to go ahead and use it on this on this Jeep right here. This is a 2011 Jeep Loretto. And also, as you can see, the actual trim is already faded and pretty much damaged, and we're going to go ahead and restore it. And it's pretty simple. I've already washed the vehicle, clayed it, pretty much did everything yesterday, and now today we're just going to apply it on the plastic trim. All we need to do is just apply a prep spray. So I am using this is the Gion bottle prep spray, but I actually have the McKee's SiO2 ceramic spray prep spray inside that bottle. So go ahead and clean the actual plastic trim, and then from there we're going to go ahead and apply the solution finish. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and use the prep spray to clean and wipe down the plastic trim, so that way it has the best adhesion possible with the solution finish. And on top of that, this solution finish is not something that just lasts a couple weeks on the vehicle like a tire dressing or a trim dressing. No, this is an actual trim restore, and it will last you about 1 year to maybe 2 years if you top it with a sealant or ceramic coating. But it all depends on how you maintain the vehicle. So that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to bring you guys in, do a quick walk around so you guys can see the trim and also the cowl. So here, I already did a test yesterday, but this is before, of course, and this is after. I already cleaned this part, and we're just going to do it on the whole plastic trim around the entire vehicle. And we're going to do it on the cowl as well. That way it has the best adhesion possible with the prep spray, and it's going to make the vehicle look 10 times younger. And probably next week we're going to go ahead and polish the vehicle just to give it more. But you see this damage right here, and all the products will be down below in the description, so you guys go ahead and order it. And let's go ahead to the other side. Let's go to the sunny side and show you how it wipes on this half right here. All right, so what you want to do on this faded plastic is you want to prep the actual plastic. That way it has the best adhesion. So the best thing I like to use is prep spray. You could use any type of prep spray you want. I just enjoy using either McKee's SiO2 DIY detail prep spray, Gion prep. This is the Gion bottle. Just use a prep spray, saturate the actual towel, and just wipe off the plastic trim. As you can see, there's still some dirt, and we want to remove that dirt. That way it has the best adhesion possible. And that's it. Then from here, just continue doing the rest. It's going to flash on its own. Right now we're in the sun, and it's just flashing off nicely. And we're going to go ahead and do this to the rest of the panel. But before I do the rest of the panel, let me go ahead and show you the application of the solution finish, which is very, very, very simple. So you grab your applicator pad of choice. I'm using this Auto Fiber Coating Saver applicator. You grab your trim restore. I already shaked it up. You want to hear till that marble that goes ahead and disperses the solution that's inside the black trim restore. And this is pretty much like a dye, and it's a permanent dye. And this lasts about, like I said, a year, maybe 2 years, and you don't need a lot. Look, I'm just dabbing it just like that. Probably squeeze just a little bit on the bottle, and that's it. That's all you need. And this will do this whole section as such. So you just go ahead and apply. If it goes onto the actual paint, that is okay. You don't got to worry about it. It'll wipe right off on the paint. Just don't let it sit there, you know, for it to cure. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it as such. And if you really need to get inside these cracks and crevices, just put pressure on the corner and just apply it as such. And that's it. Look at how much this whole thing did with just a little bit of product. And I could keep going pretty much almost to the bottom half of the other plastic trim that's on the vehicle, and just apply liberally. Make sure you get even coverage, and that's it. We've restored the plastic trim. You let it sit there for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then you come off and wipe down the excess to level it off, and that's it. So we went from this, from all that, or that's what it is now, and we went, and that's how it was before. That bottom half before, and that top part after, and that's what we want. We want to restore the black plastic trim, and it's going to look 10 times younger on the vehicle, and you guys saw the quick walk around, so I'm going to go ahead and continue the rest of the vehicle, and I will show you the after result. And it's just quick, simple, and easy, and it will take you about 15 minutes, 20 minutes if you're doing it by yourself. If you're working with somebody, it should take you about 5-10 minutes to actually do this whole plastic trim. So here's a complete 50-50 on the Kaale, and it was just simple, easy, just 2 products, just a prep spray, and then just apply the solution finish. Just as easy as that. If you wash your entire vehicle, just wash your entire vehicle and use the prep spray and then the solution finish to apply it for best adhesion. And yes, it goes on a nice, deep, rich, and almost kind of shiny look, but once you level off the excess and leave it there for 1 extra day, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video when I said I did this half yesterday, it will go down to that nice dark sheen, and it's not going to be, you know, shiny or excess product. You want that product to go ahead and absorb into the plastic, especially something that's been faded like this. And this is the after results, just a complete night and day difference, and we made this vehicle look a lot younger, better, richer. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys use solution finish, leave it down below in the comment section what products you like to use. But for me, I've been using solution finish for the past 2 years, and it's never failed me. All right, everyone, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Quick, easy, simple, just a prep spray and the solution finish applied onto the paint, and that's it. Nothing much to it. After 15-20 minutes, you go ahead and just level it off, any excess, and it still leaves this nice dark, rich sheen, almost factory-like, and or better than factory-like in my opinion. And that's it. Just simple as that. It took me and my cousin about 15-20 minutes to do literally the whole vehicle. So he just went and applied the prep spray around the whole vehicle, and I just followed up behind him. And then once I finished applying wherever I applied, after 10 minutes, we just leveled it off. And that was it. Just simple as that. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and all the products will be down below in the description so you guys can order it. I don't have any discount code for the prep spray or the solution finish, but that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.